Born to Mahanama Samaravira and Kima Padmavati Samaravira ni Amaravira. His father was a cabinet minister of local government, housing, communications, posts and telecommunications in Sirimavo Bandaranayaka's government, and his mother served as a member of the Matra Urban Council. Educated at Royal College, Colombo and at Waltham Forest College, London, he gained a BA in clothing design and technology from St. Martin's School of Art in London. He served as a design consultant to the National Design Centre of Sri Lanka and served as a visiting lecturer in the Institute of Aesthetic Studies, University of Kelaniya. Samaravira entered politics from the Sri Lanka Freedom Party as its chief organizer in Matra in 1983. Thereafter becoming the party's assistant secretary and coordinating secretary of the Mothers' Front. He first entered the Parliament of Sri Lanka as a representative of the Matra district in 1989. And he was appointed as Minister of Post and Telecommunications in the cabinet of President Chandrika Bandaranayaka Kumaratunga in 1994. He also served as the Minister of Urban Development, Construction and Public Utilities in the same cabinet after a reshuffle and was later given the Deputy Minister of Finance portfolio. Following the election defeat of his party in 2001, he was made the Chief Opposition Whip and the Treasurer of the Sri Lanka Freedom Party. In 2004 he became the Minister of Ports, Aviation and Media in the new cabinet of President Chandrika Bandaranayaka Kumaratunga. In June 2005, after conflicts with Kumaratunga, he dropped the media ministry, but remained cabinet minister of ports and aviation. He became the campaign manager for presidential candidate and Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapakse. When Rajapakse won and took office in November 2005, he surprised many by appointing Samaravira to the additional post of Foreign Minister instead of Prime Minister. In late January 2007, Samaravira was replaced as Foreign Minister, but remained as Minister of Ports and Aviation. On the 9th of February 2007, he was sacked from the cabinet together with ministers Anura Bandaranayake and Shripati Suryarachi after falling out with the president. He then went on to create a new political party, the SLFP Mahajana Wing. In October 2013, the Matra Magistrates Court issued a court order to arrest him and 10 others for their alleged involvement in obstructing a peaceful protest march in Matara by UNP activists, to oust its leader Ranil Wickramasinghe. On the 12th of January 2015, Samaravira was again appointed as Minister of Foreign Affairs under newly elected President Matripala Sirisena. After the 2019 presidential election, Samaravira joined the newly formed Samagi Jana Balavegaya, which was launched in 2020 and led by opposition leader Sajit Premadasa. He resigned from the position of Finance Minister as of the 17th of November 2019, even hours prior to release of the general election results. In June 2020, he announced that he would not contest at the upcoming 2020 parliamentary election, which was scheduled to be held on the 5th of August 2020, and urged the public to not vote for his preferential number and revealed that it will be impossible to remove his name from nomination list. On the 9th of June 2020, he also announced that he will step back and quit parliamentary politics. He died on the 24th of August 2021 at the age of 65 due to COVID-19. Prior to his death, he was admitted at an intensive care unit of the private hospital in Colombo after being tested positive for COVID-19 in August 2021. He was diagnosed with COVID-19 despite having recorded both doses of Pfizer vaccines.